everyone, hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video we are hooking up our adorable, comfortable baby crochet frock designs ideas. These are amazing and comfortable, perfect for newborn or special occasion. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like all the ideas, all the designs. So please watch this video till end without skip. In this video, we will be making a stylish crochet baby frocks designs ideas. All the ideas, all the pattern is easy to knit at home and easy to follow. If you want to knit this design at home, so you require mini yarn, hooks, crochet work, easy work. You need all the ideas easily at home. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and textures. To shape the sleeves and armhole, we will use technique. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or baby frock styles. Add embellishments like button, applique work, beads, ruffles, pearls, stones and many different accessories. You use and decor your baby's frocks easily. And that's it, your crochet baby frock is complete and ready to wear, ready to gifting. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to alert my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. I have uploaded more tutorial ideas, different pattern and different collections. So please visit my channel and watch my more different ideas till end. If you want to buy these, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, etsy.com, Clicky and my official website Be Patron. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas. Keep watching my more different ideas till end. If you want to see more ideas, more different pattern and tutorial ideas, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. You visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work, baby frock, ladies dresses, booties, sleepers, home decoration ideas such as blanket, bed sheet, cushions covers, pillow covers, wall hanging, many different ideas. You visit my channel and watch my more different ideas. Thanks for stitching along with me. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.